Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you are gonna learn how to find the files using the locate tool. In the previous video, you have learned how to find the files using the find tool. But in this video, you are gonna learn how to find the files using the locate. So let's get started. First off, you need to open your terminal and to use or the know what is a locate command, you can type what is space name of the tool you want to know what it is locate. Here you can see it is telling me that it lists the files in database that match a pattern. Similar to it, you can type any of the tools. Example, let's use find, search for files in a directory hierarchically. You get it? Okay. Now to see more information about locate, meaning the types of command associated to locate tool, you can type man locate. This man command is applicable to all the tools in your computer. You can use your down arrow key to navigate or up arrow key to go up. I'm done, and here you can see all the options available for this command. Now to exit this interface, you need to type Q, meaning quit. I will clear my terminal, and now to use the locate, you can type simply locate. Now I will take the example of password file, password, hit enter, and here you can see there are lots of files naming password, and here you cannot identify which file you are searching. To make it simpler, you can use a command which I have already showed you. Can you guess it? Yes, you are right, grep tool. It makes life easier. Type locate. Now I want to see the file of password in etc directory. To see that, you can type the same password file space pipe and grep space the directory you want to see from, that is etc password. I hope you are understanding that I am typing directory as. Here you can see everything is being showing through the directory, and lastly the file. However, if I want to see from the etc directory, it will also print as etc and password. Okay, hit enter, and now it should find the files, and here you can see it has found out the file. Now you can see some of the hidden files. There are some of the hidden files in the password file or in any of the directory. To see all of the hidden files, you can type all, as you have seen in the man interface. I will go to it again, locate, come down, and here you can see it shows us that print only names which match all non-option, not those matching non-option argument. It also prints the hidden files in the directories. Okay, quit, and now you can also locate. Now we will see the flag of all. Now let's take the example of any other thing. First type all space, we need to search the files with the extension of conf. Okay, now to search the files of extension of conf, you don't know the name of the file, but you know that the file is having the extension .conf. So you can type star meaning it will fill everything matching to the .conf instead of that name. Did you get it? Great. It needs to be in double quote, otherwise it will be misleading. Now space pipe grep the output, otherwise if you don't put grep, then there is an invalid option. Okay, invalid. Wait, the all should have two dashes in front of it, two dashes, hit enter, and here you can see there are lots of file containing of .conf. Now to overcome this, if you know the name of the file, you can type, if you know the name of the file, then you can type grep, and I will take the example of resolve.conf, resolve, and hit enter, and here you can see it is showing me the files which has resolve.conf. Now if you want to see the matching results, meaning the number of results it has found, you can type space -c, -c meaning it shows the number of results it has found out. Hit enter, and now here you can see it has found out 6 results, and here also it has 6 results it has found out. And now to ignore the case sensitivity, you can type -i. There are no case sensitivity in this case, but for some of the cases it's required, and here you can see it showed us the same number. Now let's use it without the grep, and let's see the matching results. Ci, enter, and now you should see the matching results, and here you can see it has found out 1691. If we remove the case sensitivity, then the results are same as we have applied the star.conf, so it is showing the same. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.